to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues.
Our driver's so fabulous. He's letting us stop at the Bali Strawberry. So excited to see it. Oh, and look at this. Look at this beautiful view. It's like heaven. We're at the Bali Strawberry.
Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy.
Oh, you got your little baby. Hi. Hello. Good morning to you.
Take this life for granted, I apologize. So thankful I'm alive.
This is it. The infamous. We got up at 6 a.m. We got up at 6 a.m. to take a picture here. Yeah. It's cold. It's cold. But I got a blanket on. She got her jacket. She got a scarf. But it's still going to be so worth it. Still waiting in line. Freezing. It's so cold out here. So these people that are doing this shoot over there. We cold. We share a cozy blanket.
She's being so kind. It is being so kind. It's really early in the morning.
Yes.
But the views are here are beautiful. Like the mountains are beautiful. So.
Babe, we about to get a good picture.
She's beautiful and smart. The girl is like a genius.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Getting ready. We are at a temple. I don't know what temple it is, but it's a temple. I know. Like, I can't see back there because the sun. But it's going to be a beautiful temple. We just finished our pictures. They were beautiful. We love it. And we're having a great time. Going in. Hello. Oh, this is so pretty. Ah, there's another one. Look at all this beauty at 8:30 in the morning.
This temple is believed to have been built in 1634.
Wow.
Time I fall asleep, I dream of what we used to
exciting to be here. Cannot wait to get in and enjoy the refreshing, fabulous waterfall in Bali. On my way to the falls with my tour guide behind me. There's beautiful Eva. We are at the falls getting ready to take our picture. Eva!
Hi! Welcome to Kia channel. Don't forget, subscribe,
Like
and
comment.
comment below.
Thank you.
Myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed.
So much fun at the waterfall. On to our next adventure. You don't even understand. Walking up that hill will kill you. Coming back. So some of the ladies stopped at the store to buy something. Look at me, I'm all out of breath. I'm about to die.
You don't hear sing songs?
Renika, let's go. Not the spaghetti legs. I'm so mad right now. Why did I not think of this?
Don't worry. Just balance yourself, relax. Four. Use your core.
Jenny, let's go! Let's go! Yes, girl! Isha! Isha, get across the street.
Could only see. Baby, you know I don't want anybody else.
Hello, good afternoon.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Miramar Restaurant. Bathroom on the right side.
Hello. Wow, this is breathtaking. Gorgeous. I mean, everything here is breathtaking though.
About you, I search within, and I want you to find me. I want you right now. If I could show you.
I did get coffee.
You got coffee too?
All that I want is to have you until my soul. No wonder you make me feel the way I do. Baby, you know I don't want anybody else. No wonder you make me feel the way I do.
Hey, over here too.
Have you until my soul. No wonder you make me feel the way I do. The way I do.
Thank you.
One more.
So we had a great lunch. Pass me this menu, please. Get your air off the Nigiri Gia Day. I don't know. I don't know how to say it, but it was a fabulous lunch, and we had a great view, and I'm very happy. And now we are going to go have our massages. So we are in insane traffic because of the holiday. Today is family day. Everybody is going home to their family. We have only gone about a block. We've been in traffic for almost 2 hours. It's insane. This is my friend over here. Hi. She's been next to me while we're in traffic, so I'm going to show you what the traffic looks like. Was I lying about this traffic? It is out of control. I don't know when we will ever get back to our villa. And we have a massage planned. And I don't think we're gonna make it. Maybe the masseuse in traffic too, but this is insane. I've never seen anything like this because they don't have traffic lights out here. So you just go at your own pace. So the motorcycles will actually block the road from the cars, and it's 2 lanes. So you ride on the left side of the street opposed to the right side of the street, but you can cross over at any time. So what happens is they're doing it again. They're not supposed to be coming over here.
That's what I keep saying.
Yeah, so this is why it gets gridlocked. They're on both sides of the street.
So they're stopping up that side.
So they're stopping at this side and they're stopping up that side. So then none of the cars will get through, and then we get gridlocked. I'm hungry again.
We literally just ate like 2 hours, like maybe
What?
an hour and a half
A
ago.
pork roast meal too. I'm starving.
Oh, look at her Hello Kitty. Oh, man, she's due right now. That was cute. Hello, baby, and Hello Kitty. I always do stuff late.
2.5 hours have
times that I
passed, and
may
we are
not
still
even
in
do something,
traffic.
but I
It's
still
just
am
not
more
letting
likely
up.
to come out with an
We
8.
don't know when
At least the beat.
we are getting back.
We sat there for 2 hours.
So we sat in traffic for 3 hours. We are finally out of traffic because somebody called the cops. The cops had to be called. Oh wait, I'm ahead of myself. There's more traffic up here. I spoke too soon. The cops need to get down here then, because this is ridiculous. Look how we are on this angle on a hill in traffic. Look at these motorcycles just coming down, just taking over. I can't take it anymore. No more. Oh my God. It's about to get dark. Still in traffic. See, the street lights came on. Headlights are on. It just won't stop. So it's officially dark out and we are still in traffic. And we have probably about another 2 hours to go. Right now, I think it's been 4 or 5 hours, right, ladies? Yep, 4 or 5 hours.
We left at like 2:30ish.
Yep. So we're going on our 5th hour in traffic. So we spent a whole day in the car. Wonderful in Bali. So we got back and I didn't vlog when I walked in the house at all. I was just completely tired. We all just wanted to take a shower and get this car off of us and just wash our face. But anyway, we were in traffic for 6 to 6.5 hours of traffic. Don't ever come to Bali when they are having their holiday. It's like you going to DC during the inauguration times a million the traffic. And out here they don't have like traffic lights or anything, and they're celebrating. And today was part of the festivities was family day, so everyone went to go visit their families. I mean, it's beautiful. The people of Bali are beautiful, but you know, we have to respect, you know, their holiday, so we just had to wait in traffic, and that's that. But 6.5 hours, that was a lot. So we missed our massages. They're going to schedule it for tomorrow. I don't know how that's going to work, because in the morning we have the elephant bath, which is the main reason why I wanted to come to Bali. And then we also have, like, closing us out, it's going to be a sunset yacht tour, so yacht party or whatever. So I don't know how that's going to work out, but I know tonight I have to pack. And right now I'm waiting for Vernica, I don't know if she's not in there, to come with me, and we're gonna pop a bottle of champagne and go to bed. So stay tuned for our bubbles. Here's Vernica doing her homework. She's on vacation and she got homework to do. Crazy.
Yes, crazy.
You still popping a bottle?
Yes, give me 1.3 minutes.
All right, I'll wait for you. What are you doing up? Eva.
Continue to work.
6.5 hours we were in that car.
6 hours. Oh my God.
So tell us about this holiday.
This holiday.
The holiday week. Like, what is it about?
The ceremony.
Yes.
Oh yeah, there's a big ceremony now because it's kind for us Christian. It's New Year, but this is New Year for them, for Balinese people now.
Okay.
That's why during this week there's almost ceremony, and they like to go outside.
Right.
It's traffic.
Yes.
So
So we were in traffic.
6 hours.
It was more like 6.5. It was like, it got to the point where we couldn't even believe it. Like, we were like outside, and I was like, what? And then somebody called the police. Then the police came.
We're supposed to arrive like at 3 or maximum at 4. This way we will have our massage, right?
Right.
Look, what time is it?
I know.
At 9.
I know. We're tired. You're tired. We're gonna pop a bottle. I know you can't because you're working.
Yes, I continue.
Yeah, but we're gonna pop a bottle, so don't mind our corking. Or is it? It's not there?
No, you know it's gonna be here. Like, why would it be here?
You were looking like it wasn't there. I'm like, wait.
This fruit.
Oh, the fruit. Oh. What can you get those salads? See what those salads looking like. Those salads. In the yeah.
Like, this all, like, y'all need to eat this stuff. For real. Like, y'all wasting money.
I can eat the salad.
2 pizzas in here.
I'm not eating the pizza, but I'll eat the salad. This one I don't think we can eat. This one don't look good.
I didn't even realize that one was in there.
But I did like this I can eat. These two I loved. And some spaghetti left over. So this is from Saba Bay when I went to the winery earlier this week. This is all you can order?
No, you can order all of it.
All right. I'm coming.
It's going by the here at the top.
Do they have just fries like that?
I don't know. I haven't looked.
I don't want to get the same thing that I got, but I think I might. Yay, we are done.
We're having lunch and then drop out.
Thank you. Let's cheers. Say goodnight. Good night. Day 4 is, what is this, day 5? 4 or 5?
I don't know. I don't even know what day it is.
The day's over.
It's a long.
The day is over.